Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. We're going to look at that very popular Stihll MS 460 Magnum. That has the 76.5 cc motor in it, 4.7 cubic inch. Power head weight on that is 14.6 pounds. And we're going to get up close and look at this. It's got some really great features. If you haven't run a Stihll lately, you're going to enjoy checking out these features. Twistlock cap, and that's a great improvement over the old caps. The old caps you had to use pliers or a screwdriver to get that cap off. This just flips up and you got something to grip onto and you turn it. It's Twistlock. And that feature is the same on the oil fill too. There's your oil fill and there's a Twistlock right there. It's got the Elasto starting system on it, combined with a compression release. There's the compression button right here. Push that in. And let me see if I can demonstrate this starter. You can watch it there. It's got some give to it. That just saves that shock from your hand and your elbow when you pull this over. Watch again here. And it just makes it easier to start this saw. It has a lot of compression. Has a working chain brake. The master control for the on-off choke here. Right there where it's easy to get at with your thumb. It's got the operator presence lever. You push it all the way down for choke. Up one notch for high idle, and then there's your low idle. All the way up is off. The heavy duty filter system. It's a great filter system Stihl's come up with. Here's your tank vent, and that really works well. They've changed these over the years and this is the best vent they've come up with. Got the large muffler, double falling spikes, 2 of them, makes it great for bigger wood. Got the side adjust on your bar tensioner. You loosen both bar nuts up, and right in here is a slot that you adjust the tension on this chainsaw. And this is that wrap handlebar. It's a nice setup. Has the adjustments on the carburetor, high and low speed plus idle, right there. And we'll look underneath it. It's got that Stihll Roll-O-Matic real nice bar. That's a 50 gauge bar. 050 gauge, 3/8 pitch. That's a chisel bit chain. And move outside here and make a cut with this saw.